Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. This is a very important, crucial time for the Dogecoin holders because after the flash crash there was a recovery, and now rather than being in consolidation there has been a little bit of profit taking. The craziest part is the trading volume is down 50%. Now that's not only Dogecoin, that includes all the major altcoins. Now our boy Elon Musk has been hinting to some interesting things that I will mention down the line. Now talking about this whale, do not be this person. They decided to buy $40 million worth of Dogecoin at 18 cents and panic sold at 14 cents. Now there is a lot of building that will be happening in the background of Dogecoin. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now it's very important for you guys to understand. Yesterday when I was making the video, I mentioned how the Cardano founder, Chris, decided to talk about how soon as Dogecoin beats Cardano, that is going to be the beginning of the altcoin season. And you guys can see since his post, Dogecoin could not be able to take over Cardano. For a short period of time we did take over, but what is crazy is even right now the trading volume of Cardano is 5 times less than the trading volume of Dogecoin, clearly suggesting that the placement is a little strange. Now if we talk about boy Elon Musk, now Elon, from the last 48 hours he has been retweeting Doge designers tweets quite frequently, that's the right word, but he's obviously just retweeting other things such as community notes is open source. You can see every line of software and all the data that went into the community note. Now this is really interesting because this is obviously hinting towards crypto, similar concept as in there is a lot of things which is public and everyone can check what is happening. There's just a little bit less time for crime. Now what is another interesting thing? So this is a retweet, and at the same time, if we just go back and I show you guys something interesting over here, just about 3 days ago there was a podcast by Sir Doge of the Coin, who also has 250,000 followers, and one of the main guests was our boy. Now what's really interesting is Doge designer and Jordan were one of the biggest casters. Now what I'm trying to say is this actually shows that there is some sort of connection that Elon is trying to hint towards, but at the same time he's not being so open. So as I mentioned before, it's something to do with the SEC in the background. Maybe Elon is fighting some case that we do not know about. Now also the SpaceX's third flight of test will be launching on the 14th of March. Now it is pending the regulatory approval, but this could be one of the turning points, and let's say we're getting closer and closer to April, so maybe we're going to be seeing some big moves. Now another thing, we need to talk about this big whale. Now keep in mind, do not be this whale. Like in the past, yes, they might have made good profit, but what they did in this short period of time was not very good. You guys can see on the 6th of March they decided to buy about $150 million worth of Dogecoin. In the next day, in about 6 hours, they decided to panic sell at 14 cents. Now if you just do a quick maths, that's close to, I'd say, 20 to 30% decrease. Now they sold pretty much all of their bag at 14 cents and then at 16 cents, but now you guys can see the price did go well above this. Now this is why I always say you can take healthy profits whenever you need to, but when it comes to panic selling, never do that, because the only person that will be not benefiting from that is going to be you, as the whales will decide to dump the price, and then when you panic sell they're going to buy up all your coins. Now this is a really interesting tweet because you guys need to pay attention. More things get built on Dogecoin, there is going to be more initiative for Dogecoin to be bigger, and there will be more use case, and that is exactly what we want. Also, Elon Musk is trending on Twitter, so is this just everyone's trying to hype up our boy Elon to try to push him to tweet something relating to Dogecoin? Now also I want to mention how a lot of people were talking about the trading volume of Dogecoin in the morning today, but you guys can see, it is still sitting on the 8 slot very significantly strongly, and the one below it, it's a lot lower, which is BNB, but you guys can see the one above Solana is not very far. If Dogecoin is able to take over, just keep in mind, even the trading volume we have right now, the price is not very good because it should be sitting somewhere close to 20 cents. Now, talking about the price action, now this is going to be a really important point. Why am I trying to say that? Because right now where we are sitting, which is close to 15.5, has been a support for Dogecoin for a couple of times. I mean, it has acted as a resistance in previous times, but right now, because we were higher, this is obviously going to act as a support. If we are able to consolidate somewhere close to 15 to 16 cents, when the market does decide to start going bullish again, we are going to be seeing a really strong move. We just need to make sure that we do not fall below the 15-cent mark, because that is the important mark that we are sitting on right now. Keep in mind, this important mark is going to be causing a lot of neutralization. What I'm trying to say is, in the future, the way Dogecoin price is going to be reacting is going to be one of the important things. If I just put one more line over here, that will give you guys a little bit of perspective. Now, right now, if we are able to consolidate over here, the next move up will push us somewhere close to 25 cents, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys will be very happy with that. Now, talking about payments, now again, they still have not done any sort of tweet. I have been checking it pretty much every single day, trying to figure out, as we're getting closer and closer to April, are we going to be getting a tweet? Now, talking about another whale, you guys can see this whale has purchased close to $47 million worth of Doge just today. Now, they sold 3 million of it at the same time, so you just need to be a little patient as all these whales are gearing up to help the price go up even faster. Now, our boy Billy decided to tweet this out: I can go lower, and a lot of people are getting a little scared. Keep in mind, if Bitcoin does take a little bit of a reversal, that's going to be very expected, because there's going to be a lot of people that will be profit taking. Now, talking about Pepe, Pepe shows why Doge and Shiba holders should be concerned. Now, what they're talking about is, right now, Doge and Shiba actually hold so much of the meme community. Now, the way Pepe is growing, there is a little bit of a scary sentiment around all the traders, as in, will Pepe go up really quickly? And if the FOMO kicks in, it's going to go up very quickly. Now, keep in mind, the same thing can happen with Dogecoin. Trying to keep it above Shiba Inu will actually make sure that, you know, Dogecoin is able to reach some big numbers. Now, machine learning algorithm predicts what Dogecoin price will be on the 31st of March. If I just go down, you guys can see it is expecting it to be close to 18 cents. Now, it does not sound like much, but you need to imagine that once we get into April, maybe the pace at which Dogecoin will be growing will be much faster. Now, this person is really lucky. I mean, will they be getting to their break even at 38 cents? That will be something we will have to wait and see. And rally results in 1,000 plus millionaires. Now, this is crazy, because this has pushed over 1,000 people to be millionaires. Now, that number just needs to sink in. It's kind of crazy. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.